Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Toyota Camry and Avalon owners have long trusted these models for rock-solid reliability, but even the best cars can develop problems over time. If you drive a late 90s or early 2000s Camry or Avalon, you might have heard about oil sludge, a stubborn buildup that can wreck your engine if ignored. This video breaks down why these models are prone to sludge, how to spot early symptoms, and simple maintenance steps to keep your engine running smoothly. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or just maintaining your Toyota, knowing the warning signs could save you time and money. What is oil sludge and why does it occur? Oil sludge is the silent engine killer lurking in older Toyota Camry and Avalon models. It creeps in unnoticed, turning smooth-running engines into ticking time bombs. But what exactly is it, and why does it happen in these otherwise reliable cars? Definition of oil sludge. Oil sludge is thick, tar-like gunk that forms when engine oil breaks down and mixes with dirt, metal particles, and other contaminants. It's like hardened molasses clogging your engine's arteries, blocking vital oil passages and starving moving parts of lubrication. When sludge takes over, your engine loses its ability to stay cool and properly lubricated, leading to accelerated wear or even catastrophic failure. Think of it as cholesterol buildup in a human heart. Restricted flow means trouble. The thicker the sludge, the harder your engine has to work, and the faster it wears out. Common causes in Toyota Camry and Avalon. Several factors make late 90s and early 2000s Camrys and Avalons especially prone to sludge. Infrequent oil changes. Old oil loses its cleaning additives and thickens over time, turning into sludge instead of flowing smoothly. Low-quality oil. Cheap or incorrect oil grades break down faster, leaving more deposits behind. Engine design. Some models have tight oil passages that sludge blocks easily. Driving habits. Short trips and excessive idling prevent the engine from fully warming up, allowing moisture and contaminants to accumulate. Toyota even acknowledged sludge issues in certain 1MZFE and 3MZFE V6 engines, particularly those in 1997-2002 Camrys and Avalons. If you own one of these, keeping up with oil changes isn't just maintenance, it's survival. Symptoms of oil sludge in your Toyota. Oil sludge doesn't announce its arrival with flashing lights and sirens. Instead, it builds up quietly until your Camry or Avalon starts showing subtle or not so subtle signs of distress. Catching these early is the difference between a simple oil flush and a full engine rebuild. Visible signs under the oil cap. Pop the hood and unscrew the oil cap. This is ground zero for sludge detection. Healthy oil leaves a light amber residue, but sludge turns it into a dark, sticky mess resembling black tar. Check the dipstick too. If wiping it leaves thick, gritty streaks, sludge is likely clogging your engine. Here's what else to look for. Chunky deposits around the cap or valve cover. Milky oil could also indicate coolant mixing in. Grit or metal flakes on the dipstick, a sign of advanced wear. If you see these, don't wait. Sludge won't magically disappear on its next oil change. Engine performance issues. Sludge starves your engine of lubrication, and the symptoms aren't subtle. Knocking or ticking noises, metal parts grinding without proper oil flow. Rough idling or stalling, sludge clogs critical components like the VVTi system. Overheating, thick sludge traps heat instead of letting oil circulate. Poor acceleration, your engine struggles under the strain. Left unchecked, these issues can escalate to complete engine failure. Picture trying to run a marathon with syrup in your veins. That's what sludge does to your Toyota's heart. Warning lights and diagnostics. Modern cars give you clues, but sludge-related warnings are often misinterpreted. Key red flags. Oil pressure light flickering at idle or under load. Check engine light with codes like P0011 camshaft timing issue, common in sludged VVTi engines. Low oil pressure readings even after topping off. A mechanic's scan tool helps, but sludge won't always trigger a code until it's too late. Combine these warnings with the symptoms above, and you've got a clear case for investigating further. High-risk models. Which Toyotas are most affected? Not all Camrys and Avalons suffer equally from oil sludge. Some model years and engines are far more likely to develop this costly issue. If you own an older Toyota, knowing whether your car falls into the high-risk category could mean the difference between a simple maintenance fix and a blown engine. Late 90s to early 2000s Camry and Avalon. The highest risk models for oil sludge are 1997-2002 Toyota Camrys and Avalons equipped with the 1MZFE 3.0 LV6 common in Camry XLE and Avalons. 3MZFE 3.3 LV6 less frequent but still affected. 5SFE 2.2 L4 cylinder though less prone than the V6S. Owners of these models report sludge buildup even with regular oil changes. The problem stems from a mix of tight engine oil passages, heat retention in the V6 design, and factory-recommended oil change intervals that many mechanics now consider too long. If you drive one of these, check for excessive oil consumption more than 1 quart per 1,000 miles. Dark, sludgy residue under the oil cap. Frequent low oil pressure warnings. That's it for part 1. Now you know the signs of oil sludge in your Toyota. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll discuss prevention tips and how to keep your engine running smoothly. See you soon. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.